Hello there! In this video, we will try to practice dividing 3-digit whole number with renaming. So we have here our first example, 684 divided by 6. I already represented 684 here on the side, 6 hundreds, 8 tens, and 4 ones. So we will be dividing each place value into 6 equal groups, starting from the highest place value, which is the hundreds place. So 6 equal groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, and then since there's no remainder in the hundreds place, we proceed to the tens place. So dividing this into 6 equal groups will give me 1 10 in each group, but I am left with 2 tens as a remainder. Can I still divide these 2 tens? Yes, if I will rename it into ones. How many ones can 2 tens make? There's 10 tens in each one, so therefore, there will be 20 ones. Plus this 4 ones left over earlier, we now have 24 ones divided into 6 equal groups. 24 divided by 6 is 4. Alright, so as you can see here, we don't have any remainder. So we have here 110, 100, 110, and 4 ones. That would be 114. Let's try to do this using number bonds. 684 can be 600, 60. Why not 80? Because 80 cannot be easily divided by 6. So when we do number bonds, we choose numbers that can easily be divided by the number we are dividing with. What's left over? 24. Alright, so we divide each one by 6. 600 divided by 6 is 100. 60 divided by 6 is 10. And then 24 divided by 6 is 4. Our total is 140. Okay, you may try any other combinations for this, as long as again your total would sum up to 684. I'll give you another example. 684, if you are more comfortable with 300, go ahead. So 300, what else? Another 300, or if you want 360. So that's 660 already. I am left with 24. So let's try. As long as these numbers, when you add them, it will be equal to 684. So why did I choose 300? Because it's easy to divide by 6. 360 and 24 as well. 300 divided by 6 is 50. 360 divided by 6 would be 60. And then 24 divided by 6 is 4. So if I add all these, 50 plus 60 plus 4 would still give me 140. Okay, so another way, of course, is the long division. Let me just remove this so I have space. So this number, 684, we always start with the highest place value. We remember that we are dividing each place value. So 600 divided by 6, how many 6's are there in 600? There's 100. So the 100, since it says 100, it will be on the hundreds place value as well. So 100 times 6 is 600. Let's subtract. We're left with 84. Now we will be dividing this 84 by 6. But let's start with 8 tenths first. So 8 tenths divided by 6, there will be 1 tenth 110 times 6 would be 60. We have a remainder. We still have 24 as our remainder, and this can still be divided by 6. 24 divided by 6, that's 24 ones already, so that would be 4 ones. 4 ones times 6 is 24, and there's no remainder. Okay, so that's 114. Let's try to do another example. This time, we are dividing 318 by 3. So we will be dividing 3 hundreds, 110, and 8 ones into 3 equal groups, starting from the hundreds place value. So we start with 300. 1, 2, 3 equal groups. Okay, so there's no remainder. We now move to 110. Can I divide 110 by 3? I can if I will rename it into ones. Alright, so I now have 10 ones plus 8. I have 18. Okay, so 18 ones divided by 3 will give me, so let's distribute this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 ones. So there's 110 and 6, 106 ones in each group. So that would be 106. Let's try to do this using number bonds. 318 can be 318. Okay, and then I divide each one. 300 divided by 3, that's 100. And then 18 divided by 3, that would be 6. So 100 plus 6, 106. Let's try a different way of dividing 318. So 318, okay, maybe, let's say 120. Why not 100? Because 100, yes, you can divide it by 3, but not that easy. So 120, 180, and then that's 300 already, and then 18. So 120 divided by 3, that's 40. 180 divided by 3, that is 60. And then 18 divided by 3 is 6. So 40 plus 60 plus 6, 106. Right? And then finally, let's show it using long division. So we start with 300. 300 divided by 3, there's 100. 100 threes in 300s. So 100 times 3 is 300. Okay, so we are left with 18 ones. Okay, but if you want to divide the 110 first, 110 divided by 3, okay, since that's 1 divided by 3, there's none. So you can continue. If you don't want to get confused, you can put it that way. And then we proceed with 18 ones. 18 ones divided by 3 is 6 ones. 6 ones times 3, 18. So there's no remainder. Okay? I hope this video was able to help you practice more on dividing 3-digit whole number with renaming. See you again on my next one.